So you want to make money online, maybe get to $10,000 a month as soon as possible? Well, great, because that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Hey, it's Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, online entrepreneur, social media expert, and here to teach you exactly really the fastest way to get to $10,000 a month online. When you're looking to build an online business, there's really a ton of different directions you can go. So I'm not going to say that those directions are wrong. They're definitely not. There's infinite decisions and directions that you can take your business, but this video is just going to be simplifying it down. That if I had a friend come to me and say, I want to get to $10,000 a month as soon as possible, tell me exactly what to do. So I'm going to simplify the process. So I'm not saying the other stuff is wrong. I'm just saying if I had to start over right now from scratch, this is exactly what I would do. So you can take that with a grain of salt, but you can use this information to create a great business and get to $10,000 a month as quickly as possible. One thing that I think a lot of people have to remember when you're starting an online business, unless you actually went to school for marketing, and typically it's not very realistic to the online world anyway, but most of us are coming from different fields. I got my education in nursing, which has really no application to what I do today. So you're starting a new career field and you have to understand there's going to be a learning curve. There's going to be some tough nights, some long hours, trying to figure stuff out and put stuff together. So if you want to make money as quickly as possible, you want to simplify what you're doing as much as possible. And that is why I would suggest focusing on affiliate marketing to get to $10,000 a month as quickly as possible. Now, affiliate marketing is where you simply are referring people to purchase someone else's product. You didn't create the product, you don't have to deal with customer service or any of that kind of stuff that is a lot of headache. You can earn a lot of money doing it, but it is a lot of headache. So let's keep it simple. Don't worry about that stuff. Only focus on affiliate marketing where you refer people to someone else's product or service and you can make money. With affiliate marketing, in order to make the most money as quickly as possible, you want to focus on digital products, not physical products. Digital products, you're looking to make 30 to 50% commissions from a single sale. So if that's a $100 purchase, you'd make $30 to $50. Compare that to a physical product where you're typically looking at 5 to 7%. So on a $100 product, that's making $5 or $7. $30 to $50 is a lot different than $5 to $7. So if you focus on digital products, you're going to make more money faster. So what are digital products? They can be training programs, fitness programs, PDF downloads, video series, ebooks, music, pictures, things that people would purchase and they would receive it directly online, where they could access it online or they could download it from online, and you're not actually having to ship them anything. Those are all digital products. Digital products have very low cost to send to a customer, to give to a customer, so the creators of these digital products can offer a lot higher affiliate commissions. Now, you also want to find an affiliate program that allows you to focus on one skill. The big picture with internet marketing in general is driving traffic, people who are likely to be interested in your offer, to an offer where they purchase and you can make money. Now, there's a lot more to it obviously than that, but if you are the one that has to create the sales letter, the sales funnel, the checkout cart, the payment processor, all that kind of stuff, that's a lot of technical skills to learn, plus it's a lot of marketing skills to learn, like copywriting and how to close a sale. So it's easier to work with a program to start making money right away in a program that actually does the selling for you, where you can just solely focus on driving traffic. Driving traffic is plenty to learn how to do itself. Long term, you can work on those additional skills. It's great when you can just focus on one thing first. If you can learn how to drive traffic, you can make money. So you'll make money faster with a great affiliate program that handles the selling and the follow-up and everything else for you. Now, when you're looking at programs and what specifically the industry, your specialty, your focus that you want to get into online, I really love training programs. It's not the best fit for everybody, but I love training programs that teach marketing. Why? Because it's one of the fastest ways to make money, because you are a product of the product. You need to learn how to market. Obviously, you're brand new, you're just getting started, you're starting a new career. So if you're working with a program that teaches you how to market and you're using the training, the product that they offer to learn these things, it's really simple to create an audience and a following and to teach these things to other people and then to refer people to the same product. Because if you really believe in the product, it's really simple to refer people to it. Todd and I are the top affiliates in a program because it taught us almost everything we know. We love it. So it's really simple to refer people to because we truly believe in it, because it's done a ton for us. Whenever you're choosing an affiliate product or program, you definitely need to believe in it or it's not going to work. So training products are a great option. With these training programs, you can start earning as you learn. So you're still learning what to do, but by sharing what you're learning, you can create content on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, Twitter, wherever you are, and use that information to attract people who are likely to be interested in the offer. and then you can make the referral. So training programs that teach you how to become an affiliate marketer is a great place to start your affiliate marketing career, and is one of the fastest ways to be able to start making money. Another thing that you should look for in an affiliate program, if you want to make big money as quickly as possible, is that it has a value ladder. A value ladder simply means that there is a low-end front offer, something that's not much money that you can refer people to. It makes your job as an affiliate easier. You simply refer people to a product or a service. It's not a ton of money, so people are likely to buy if it fits their needs and helps serve them. And then as they're a customer of this program, the system will continue to offer them more and more opportunity to make further purchases, more valuable products that they can purchase at a higher value and at a higher price. So as an affiliate, it works out really well because you're focused on these low-end sales over here, you bringing people into the system, and all of a sudden you're getting back-end sales coming through that are very high commissions. And that's one of the very fastest ways to make big money online, is with a high-ticket back-end offer that a great value ladder has to offer. So that's something that you should always look for in a program when you want to make money as quickly as possible. Now, when you're first getting started, totally focus on that one affiliate program. That's it. Learn from it, implement what it teaches, attract an audience, and drive traffic to the offer. Simple. Now, as you get a little more developed, you're creating more content, you can actually sprinkle in some different pieces of content for kind of secondary affiliate offers, maybe tools that serve that same audience. So if you're focusing, like what I suggest, on a training program that teaches people how to market online, you can be an affiliate for things like an email autoresponder system like ActiveCampaigns, or a program that offers customizable capture pages like ClickFunnels or MLSP, so that not every single piece of content goes into the same offer. You can sprinkle in some additional stuff once you kind of have your feet underneath you and you've got a lot of content already created. Now that you know what program you want to work with, you've chosen the program first, you know what industry, what your focus is going to be, this next step is to create your YouTube channel. YouTube. If you want to grow fast, I really highly suggest YouTube. Blogging's great, podcasting is great, but if you were my best friend coming to me saying, I need to make $10,000 as quickly as I can, this is what I would tell you to do. So create your YouTube channel and then simply teach what you're learning. Teach what you're learning. So you should be going through the training program that you're an affiliate for and taking snippets and pieces of it and sharing it with an audience, and create videos and consistently create content. Optimally is daily or 5 days a week, but 3 days a week or 1 day a week, whatever fits in your schedule, be really consistent about it and just create good content. Now, whenever you do create content, distribute it, because you're going to be starting out with no followers, no subscribers. So share it out on Facebook, even if it's just to your personal profile, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you might have a following already, or you just personally networked with people. You can also distribute it on things like Quora or in Facebook groups, or wherever people are congregating would likely be interested in that content. Now, as you get your content process really nailed down, you're being consistent, you're getting decent at it. Don't worry, it's okay to suck at the beginning, you'll get better. But as you get the organic stuff down, you can actually start to layer on paid ads. This is really helpful in helping you scale quicker, because guess what? Nothing happens overnight. It doesn't. Organic stuff is awesome. Being able to just have people find you daily through your videos, through your content, and make purchases and you make money, it's fabulous. But if you want to make money as quickly as possible, you can layer on paid advertising to grow your channel, to get more subscribers, to push people to your offers. So after you've got the core stuff down, you do want to look at layering on paid ads on top of it. Now, as you're creating content and you're pushing people to an offer, you do want to make sure that you're building an email list. So you need a capture page system. A great affiliate program will provide that for you, where they're capturing people's email addresses and you're starting to build an email list that you can write to daily or 3 days a week or whatever. Whenever you're creating content, let them know about it. And then you can also mix in offers. So with your email list, give them plenty of content, build up that know, like, and trust factor with them, and then occasionally sprinkle in some offers here and there that would serve your audience. Now, I want to be really frank about how long it took us. Okay, I don't think it needs to take you this long, but it took us quite a while. When we first got started, it took us about 6 months to be able to consistently make just $500 a month in our business. And we were working hard. It wasn't just a little bit here and there, it was consistent, solid work. But a year later, we were at 6 figures. So it took us about a year to get to $10,000 a month. However, we took a lot of zigs and zags along the way, and if we had this plan, what I just laid out for you, we would have gone a lot faster. So if you focus on this, exactly what I taught you here, you could go much faster than what we did in our business. And now, of course, we invested in ourselves. We did a lot of training. We learned, we studied, we looked at what other people were doing. We became students of the industry and kept bettering ourselves along the way. So you definitely want to do that if you're serious about this and you want to make big money. So if you want to make $10,000 a month as soon as possible, look at affiliate marketing. Focus on online marketing programs as your first affiliate offer. It's going to teach you what to do. It should have great done for you marketing, taking care of the sales. Look for a good value ladder that's going to bring you in high-end sales so you can just focus on that low-ticket front-end offer. Work to build up your email list, provide content building and engaged audience, and you'll be there before you know it. Now, you have to understand delayed gratification. If Todd and I hadn't, we wouldn't have done this. I mean, if it took you 6 months to make $500 a month and you were putting in 20, 30, 40 hours a week into something like we were at the time, most people get pretty disheartened. You have to understand this really, really does work. We're living proof of it. We have tons of friends that are proof of it. It does work, but you have to understand that you have to grind it out at the beginning, keep bettering yourself, keep learning, keep producing content, and you will create success as long as you stick with it and keep growing and keep working. The amount of money that you can make online today is frankly insane. I mean, I went to school as a nurse. I worked really hard in the nursing program just to get my degree and to take my test and do all that kind of stuff. And I really couldn't make that much money. When I was working in Missouri, I think it was 19 something dollars an hour as a 4-year degree RN. After 4 years of over $20,000 a year tuition. That's real life hard work, and that's what people get paid. Now think about what we're doing online. It's way easier. You're studying what people are doing, you're learning some skills, and you're shooting video, you're creating content, you're doing some setup. All of this stuff in real life terms, guys, is super easy, right? It's not backbreaking. You're not going to throw out your back lifting a patient. So understand that there is a learning curve. Instead of doing 4 years of nursing school, you're going to have to put in 6 months, a year, whatever it is, to study and become a master of your trade, going back to school. And that's why training programs, it comes right back to it, right? Why training programs make sense as your first affiliate offer, because you got to learn this stuff. You got to go back to school to learn internet marketing. It's a whole different world. But if you put in that work, you focus, you stick with it, you can create an amazing business and an amazing lifestyle. 6, 7, 8 figures, it's all possible if you stay focused and you keep learning and you keep producing, keep working hard. I hope you do. It's an amazing stuff for our lives and our family, allowing us to move across country, and both of us being stay-at-home parents with our 2 young boys. I want to encourage you to do this. If you're ready to create that 6, 7, 8, whatever figure business that you want total time freedom and financial freedom, let me know, because I want to cheer you on and root for you. You go ahead and throw in the comments if that is you, if you are going to commit to making this happen. Now, if you want to take a closer look at a great affiliate marketing program and a great affiliate offer that has a fabulous value ladder, which is a great choice for your first affiliate program, you definitely want to click the link at the top of the description to check out our #1 recommendation and some really great training to help you out. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to the channel, you're gonna have to subscribe so that we can help you do that. Say hi so we can welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Head over to the next video right up above me here, and I'll see you later.